Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Centrum Multivitamin tablets step by step. Begin by reading the bottle label for dosage, timing, and any warnings so you know what to expect. Check interactions with medications and consult your healthcare provider if unsure. Always follow the recommended daily dose and avoid doubling up if you miss one. Store tablets securely and track your intake to maintain consistent use and support daily nutrition. To build a reliable routine, pick a consistent time each day to take your Centrum tablet, such as with breakfast or dinner to aid absorption. Swallow the tablet whole with a full glass of water and avoid crushing or chewing it. If you are on other medications, space doses as advised by your clinician. Keep a simple checklist or phone reminder to help you stay consistent and avoid accidental double dosing or missed days. Safety matters when taking Centrum tablets, so never exceed the recommended daily dose to reduce the risk of vitamin excess. Inform your healthcare provider about prescription drugs and other supplements you use to prevent harmful interactions. If you experience severe allergic reactions, dizziness, or gastrointestinal upset, discontinue use and seek medical advice promptly. Pregnant or nursing individuals should confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.